The old money aesthetic is synonymous with timeless sophistication, subtle elegance, and an unspoken exclusivity. It's the kind of style that whispers wealth, calling you broke without ever raising its voice. But here's the kicker. You don't need a billionaire's bank account to embody this look. The secret lies in making intentional, strategic clothing choices. Today, I'll guide you through 4 foundational rules and the key wardrobe essentials to master the old money aesthetic. The 4 rules of old money style. Understated elegance. Forget flashy logos, graphic tees, and varsity jackets. The old money aesthetic is all about minimalism, understated, yet refined. Your clothing should speak softly but confidently. Neutral color palette. Embrace earthy and timeless tones such as browns, beiges, blacks, charcoals, whites, navy blues, and khakis. These colors are versatile and effortlessly elegant. Fit is everything. Skinny jeans or parachute-sized pants? Absolutely not. Well-fitted. Tailored clothing is a non-negotiable in this realm. Your clothes should drape perfectly, enhancing your silhouette without excess or restriction. High-quality fabrics. Opt for luxurious materials like linen, wool, leather, cashmere, and cotton. The fabric you choose directly influences how your outfit looks, feels, and lasts over time. Building your old money wardrobe. Pants and trousers. Start with an array of tailored trousers and suit pants. Look for styles with buttons, pleats, or side adjusters for a classy, polished look. Add neutral-colored chinos for more casual occasions. Remember, pants are foundational. They set the tone for your entire outfit. Elegant polos. Polos are a versatile old money staple. Choose neutral tones and experiment with subtle textures like ribbing, cable knits, or argyle patterns. Avoid large logos, as they clash with the understated aesthetic. Fitted t-shirts. Opt for thicker, premium t-shirts or those with elegant textures like cable knits. A well-fitted t-shirt can be both casual and refined, especially when paired with tailored trousers. Button UPS and button-downs. Linen shirts are a must for summer. Start with a white one and expand into striped options, white and navy are classics. Add a few Oxford shirts for formal occasions. Stick to regular or slim fits to maintain that timeless vibe. Sweaters. Hoodies? Leave them behind. Invest in wool or cashmere sweaters. Think cable knit crew necks, quarter zips, or thin layering sweaters. These pieces are perfect for elevating your fall and winter wardrobe. Coats. A tailored wool coat is essential. It adds structure and sophistication to your look. Budget tip. Thrift stores often carry quality wool coats you can tailor for a custom fit. The suit. Every man needs at least one well-tailored suit. Start with navy, black, or gray, and ensure the fit is impeccable. Suit Supply is a great option for quality suits without breaking the bank. Footwear. Classic leather shoes. Invest in leather penny loafers or Oxfords for formal occasions. Black and brown pairs will cover most events. Loafer sneakers. Perfect for casual outings. Loafer sneakers combine comfort and elegance. White leather sneakers. If sneakers are your go-to, opt for slim, minimalist white leather styles. Chunky designs like Air Force Ones are a no-go. Accessories. The finishing touches. Watches. A watch is a hallmark of old money style. Go for a small face design with a leather band, like the Cartier Tank, or more affordable alternatives like the Hamilton Bolton or Seiko models. Belts. Stick to sleek, minimalist belts in black and brown. Avoid oversized or flashy buckles. Eyewear. Choose timeless styles, such as Ray-Ban Club Masters, tortoiseshell frames, or aviators. Avoid chunky, trendy designs. They don't align with the old money aesthetic. Achieving the old money aesthetic goes beyond clothes. It's about embodying refinement in every aspect of your life. From your wardrobe to your grooming. Everything should exude quiet confidence and timeless elegance. Remember, you don't need billions to look the part. You just need to make the right choices. If you want perfect hair care, watch this.